Good morning, students. So, children, today we will just do the recap of lesson 16, which we were doing, our earth and the exercises. Okay, our earth. We all live on the earth, and our earth is round like a huge ball. Okay, and it looks like an orange, and it is the most beautiful place which have life on it. And about 70% of the earth's surface, it is covered with water, and the 30 is land. Now globe. What is globe? It is the man-made model of the earth, and it shows all the parts of the earth. The blue part which we see in the globe is water, and we all live on the earth with animals and plants. Come to page 81. Okay, we all know that the land on the earth, it is not same everywhere. Okay, there are different types of plants and animals on different land forms. Now come to mountain. Mountain, raised land and high hills are called mountains. Himalaya is the highest mountain in India. Then desert. What is desert? The places covered with sand, they are called desert. And desert usually have very little rainfall. Then plains. What is plains? The flat land is called plains. Hills, a little higher or raised land than its surrounding is called a hill. Now come to page number 82. Now valley. What is valley? It is a flat piece of land between two hills or mountain. Forest. Forest. It is an area which is thickly covered with trees, grass and other plants. Then it is a natural home for animals and birds. Now water. Water. As we all know, 70% of the earth, it is covered with water. Now let's see some of the water bodies. Oceans, seas, rivers, streams, they are the water bodies on the earth. We all need water for drinking, washing, bathing, cleaning and for watering our plants. We should save water because water is very precious, and only 3% of whole water on the earth is drinking water. So this was all about the lesson. Now come to the exercise. So children, this is EVS worksheet, and this you have to do it in your EVS notebook. This is first page of the worksheet. Now here question A, true or false? Number 1, our earth looks like an orange. So this is a true statement, you will write true. Then second, the flat land is called hill. This true? No, it is false because flat land is called plains. Now this is false, you will write false. Number 3, almost 70% of the earth is covered with water. This is true, true. Now come to B, take the correct option. Number 1, the blue part of the globe shown. Option 1, land. Second, mountain. Third, water. Your answer is water. You will going to take option 3, water. Now 2, a flat piece of land between two hills is called a number 1 option, valley. Second, plains. Third, hills. Your answer is valley. Now 3, only dash of the whole water on the earth is drinking water. Option 1, 5%, then 3%, then 2%. Your answer is 3%. You will take 3. Now come to page 2. Match correctly. Question C is you have to match correctly. Number 1, blue, 2, brown, 3, mountains. And on the other side of the match, the column is high hills, water, land. Now you have to match it correctly. So for that I have made 3 boxes, and in the box you have to write the correct number. Okay, for example, number 1 is blue. Now what is blue? High hills, water or land? It is water. Blue is water, you will write 1 here in the box. Second, brown. Now what is brown? Brown is land. You will going to write number 2 here in the box. Now number 3, mountains. Mountains, high hills. So here you will write 3. Now come to D. Now children, in this you have to paste pictures. Pictures of, you have to paste any 2 pictures of the following. Now what are these? One is landforms. You know children, landforms you have seen mountain, then desert, hills, plains. Okay, 2 pictures of land, any 2 pictures of landforms, then any 2 pictures of water bodies. What comes in water bodies? Sea, ocean, streams, river, pond, lake. Okay, so you have to paste. So 2 pictures for each. Landform 2, water bodies 2. So now this was all for today. Now tomorrow again we all will be meeting. Till then, goodbye and take care.